It is our last night here in Cartagena. You know, us traveling through Colombia has been wonderful. It exceeded my expectations. And I'm very happy to end in Cartagena. Tonight is New Year's Eve. Tina and I, we're not sure if we're gonna go to Old City or if we're gonna stay in the area. Depends on how we feel. Last night I took a sleeping pill and I feel amazing. It's a little bit later than we normally wake up, or at least myself. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to stay up very late. I gotta make sure I drink some coffee and stuff like that. I'm not built for that kind of stuff anymore, to stay up past 12. But it's New Year's Eve, you gotta stay up for the new year. And we gotta celebrate it here in Cartagena, Colombia, so super excited. I wanna go to the beach this morning after breakfast, probably lay out right over here. Just like yesterday, we'll get, you know, harassed by vendors, but nothing new. There is no agenda in Cartagena. There is nothing we have to experience here. All we want to do is relax, enjoy the weather, enjoy the sun, enjoy the water, and that's about it. Eat some good food, drink some drinks. Other than that, that's all we're doing. There's nothing very eventful in this vlog right now. Everything we did was in Medellin and Bogota, as you saw. And all I want to say is that I really enjoy Cartagena. Maybe not the best place to go to first. I would definitely do like some really tough, like sketchy shit beforehand, so then you get a place to just relax. Because I definitely could see if you're here for more than like 3 to 4 days, that you're kind of gonna be like, what do I do here? But if you've done all the things and you're just trying to relax and enjoy yourself, Cartagena's perfect. Right now I'm gonna eat breakfast with my wife. It's gonna be a great day. Oh, she's waiting for me. What's cool about this lake? Alright, so we're trying to look for food. Everything in this area is like super touristy. There's nothing actually good. Like there's a McDonald's right over here. The best restaurant we've been to is like the first night. And that's because we were far as hell. Please bring it. We could bring the leftovers.
That's true.
Tina and I are back in the room. I'm gonna go rest. So I can stay up and hang until 12 o'clock. Just not about that life anymore. More about this chill and low-key, down-to-earth Adams. It's much better. So yeah, I'm gonna rest, get a quick nap in. By the time I wake up, it'll be ready to start drinking for the new year. So time for a siesta. It is loud out there. I'm trying to get a fucking nap, people. Shut the fuck up. Just joking. Everyone's enjoying their time. I'm an old man. This is the last sunset we'll ever see of Cartagena until, I don't know. I have no idea when we'll be back to Colombia. We normally don't revisit places twice, so this is most likely the last sunset I'll ever see of Cartagena, but man, is it beautiful. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let you guys watch this. Just enjoy the sunset and get ready for tonight's activities. I still need another nap. Alright, it is officially nightfall. I'm now wearing my Tony Montana shirt and we're going to celebrate the new year. Now the first thing I have to do is make coffee because, as I said before, just not about that life anymore. I just can't stay up past like 10 o'clock. I already tried. So we're gonna drink some coffee and then we'll drink some alcohol. So we have a stimulant and a depressant all at the same time. What time is it? 7 o'clock at night. Okay, to the new year with my wife. My wife. Alright, so we went to go get dinner and we realized that everything's closed because it's New Year's. So we're back at the grocery store and we're gonna get some more food and stuff because, as I said, everything is closed. This is New Year's. Alright, we're back in the apartment. Everything's pretty much closed here. Tina's not feeling too great and it's my fault because she wanted to eat crepes and waffles and I insisted on the sketchy hole-in-the-wall restaurant. and now she doesn't feel too good, so we're gonna stay in the area. So if she feels bad, she can just lay down and be right here. We're just gonna have some brews, some drinks, go outside, see the fireworks. We'll keep it very low-key. I mean, we're here together for our honeymoon, that's all that matters. So this is what we got on deck tonight. We have some rum, we have a lime, and the always necessary Coca-Cola to make Cuba Libres. Shitty knife. It's 2018, my best year of my entire life, because I got to marry Tina. The only goddamn thing I got right. There's my wife. Look at this pretty dress. You're welcome, Auntie. Oh yeah. Cheers. All right, we got 1 minute? No way. No, I'm always early on my watch. That's right. We have 3 minutes until midnight. Right now we're watching the New York stream. Everything's fun. Tina has stomach virus. Whatever we ate over lunch, that place I was really pissed about because everything on that strip was like McDonald's, Burger King, all these just regular chain restaurants. Well, instead we went to this nice little looking restaurant where a lot of people were. Not a good idea. Now she has stomach virus. And then I feel bad because I was like insisting on it. I didn't want to go to Crepes and Waffles. Should have went to Crepes and Waffles, now she's sick. So just trying to help her out, trying to get her hydrated, but not having the greatest New Year's, just like last year she had. Oh shit.
I would got like a rum stuff.
Time to go to sleep.